Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling a common challenge Exchange administrators face, a dismounted Exchange database. Here, you can see that the database is dismounted, which means users can't access their mailboxes. Let's go ahead and try to mount it. As we attempt to mount the database, we encounter the Unable to Mount Database error 1108, indicating corruption within the database. This is critical because it prevents users from accessing their emails. Administrators usually try a few initial solutions. Insufficient server storage may prevent the database from mounting. Please check the available storage space. If a recent backup is available, restoring from it can resolve the issue. However, if the backup is outdated or unavailable, we'll need to explore alternative recovery options. Microsoft provides some built-in recovery methods. One such utility is ESEUTIL. Let's use this tool to attempt repairing the corrupted Exchange database file. To begin, I've opened the Exchange management shell as an administrator. First, let's locate the EDB file path. Now we have the file path for new DB02, including both the log file and EDB file path. We'll start with soft repair using ESEUTIL. Here's the command for soft repair. Let's go ahead and run it. During the process, we encounter an operation terminated with error 528. This means the current log file is missing, so we can't complete the soft repair. Our next option is a hard repair. Here's the command for that. Let's give it a shot. Unfortunately, even the hard repair isn't successful and the database remains inaccessible. ESEUTIL has its limitations and sometimes, like in this case, it may not be able to resolve the issue. The database is still dismounted and users can't access their mailboxes. This is where Stellar Repair for Exchange comes into play. Stellar Repair for Exchange offers a powerful, reliable solution for repairing severely corrupted EDB files. I'll demonstrate how it works. This is the official website and I'll include the link in the description. You can try the free download option. Let's download it, and I'll show you the installation and usage process. Once downloaded, I'll right-click and select Run as Administrator to start the installation. The setup is straightforward. Just click Next, Next, and Install. To prepare for the recovery, we'll first create a new database and add some mailboxes. Here's the command to create a new database. I'll open Exchange Management Shell and execute it. Now we can see our newly created database. Let's mount it in the Exchange Control panel. It may take a moment, so I'll refresh the panel. Perfect. Now, I'll mount the database and add a replication copy to a secondary server. Next, let's create a couple of new mailboxes in this database. I've created two mailboxes, Abir2 and Eders3, and linked them to Outlook. Currently, they're empty, no emails in them. For creating an empty database, you could also use the dial tone recovery method. We will share the link in description. Now let's open Stellar Repair for Exchange. The tool prompts us to enter the path of the corrupted EDB file, so I'll select it here. We have two scan options, quick and extensive. Given the severe corruption, we'll opt for extensive scan. The tool will scan and load all mailboxes from the corrupted EDB file. Let me expand a mailbox folder and access the inbox. Next, we'll save the recovered mailboxes. Stellar Repair for Exchange offers multiple export options for the recovered data, including export to Live Exchange, Office 365, PST files, public folders, and more. I'll select Export to Live Exchange. The tool will now request the Configure Outlook Profile password, the domain controller server name, admin mailbox, and its password for the destination Exchange server. It will also prompt us to map these mailboxes. Since we created 2 new mailboxes in new DB05, I'll map them accordingly. The recovery process begins transferring mailbox data to the new mailboxes. Once completed, let's verify the data in the new mailboxes. As you can see, all mailbox data has been successfully transferred to the new mailboxes. Thank you for watching. We successfully repaired the corrupted EDB file and restored mailbox data using Stellar Repair for Exchange.